please watch this video. Please invest the time into mastering this. I right now have 3 agents. Normally that'd be a $250,000 payroll per year. I have a researcher that works for me every single morning pulling the best of the best. I'm going to show you how to do that, by the way. I have another researcher that every time I'm looking at a new project, it'll do deep research, tokenomics, team, all that fun stuff. And then I have a analyst who helps me with my portfolio. Now, by the way, I could probably make this video 5 hours long. If there is interest in this kind of content, you let me know because I am happy to make a series on YouTube. But what I do have for you, if at any time you want what you see on the screen here, just let me know in the comments, AI for DeFi. We will send it to you. This will be a great starting point if you want more advanced kind of implementation of AI, so beyond just basic prompts. And I'm going to skip over a lot of this. Again, when you request AI for DeFi, we'll send this to you and you can just get started right away. I want you using AI because it's going to not only make you a better investor, you will get better returns. And not only that, it's going to save you hours upon hours. This saves me at least 20 hours per week. So what used to take me 20 hours or what I would pay someone else for, it's now done for me. As in, like, I get a report at 7 a.m. every single morning, and I'm going to walk you through all of that right now. By the way, you can build out really cool workflows and agents using some really simple tools now. Like what? 3 months ago, it was fairly advanced. Now it's getting to the point where there's no excuse not to do this. So this is one example of an agent. So actually remember this. There's workflows, automations. That's like if this, then that. So for example, hey, every morning at 7 a.m., fetch me the news from here and email me the summary. Or hey, if BTC drops below X price, or if it drops 10%, or if this asset or that asset, or if my portfolio moves this way, just let me know. No thinking, no analyzing. It's just following a command. Hey, every Sunday, pull my portfolio, log it, even let me know my P&L. Really simple command. Building agents is where it gets fun. So it's decision based. So hey, analyze this DeFi protocol, the team, the tokenomics, the risk, the red flags, and let me know this, that. You could go further and let me know how this fits into my overall thesis, my portfolio, what allocation should I have? Am I overexposed, underexposed? Am I overly correlated, etc. Whale wallets, which by the way, you can just get a free API key, and we're going to share those tools and where you can get these API keys. But hey, if this wallet or that wallet makes a move, let me know what they're buying, research the token, print me a report. Hey, what are the narratives that are happening? How does it correlate with the news, etc., etc. You get the point. It's actually doing thinking for you. And that's where it gets really, really fun. So I put something really, really simple together to kind of help us wrap our heads around what that can look like. So this is a very, very simple workflow, and you can add to this. We're literally going to be building this today, or at least having a high level overview. Again, I don't have enough minutes for this video to actually go into depth. It will take a series of videos to help you do this, but it looks something like this. In my example, 7 a.m. Can you fetch news from here? Can you get the prices of BTC and ETH or any assets that you're watching? Can you get the top yield opportunities from DeFi Llama? Hey, send it over to Claude. And if I open this up, you can see the command, but send it over to Claude, analyze this, analyze that. Claude is trained up on how I invest, on my portfolio, on where I'm trying to get to. It'll let me know if I'm overexposed here or there, etc. Then I want to format the email into something that's readable, and then, hey, send it to me to this inbox. And this is an example of what something like that can look like. Again, you can modify this in any which way. What are the top narratives? You could add the top news. What are the top DeFi yields? For this example, I wanted a kind of stable coin returns because right now I'm building out the stable coin part of my portfolio. I'm also building on gold right now, so I will be adding that into the research. Research any yield opportunities for my gold tokens. You get the point. By the way, this took me a whole, 20, 30 minutes. The first time I did this, it did take me 5 or 6 hours. It took me a whole 20, 30 minutes to do. And again, this is fairly simple, yet extremely powerful, and you can build this out any which way you want. I also don't know if you know this yet, but we did add the AI Investor Lab inside the UIG. We've been building this stuff for the last year. Again, no AI slop, like actually practical tools. How can you build a $120,000 DeFi assistant to help you with your portfolio, help you with your research? The daily brief. How can you get a daily email, daily message? Again, it could be as complex as we're doing here, or it could be really simple. My first daily brief was done over Gemini, and every single morning I'd click the button, I'd get my brief, and it was personalized to me. So we have a lot of clients and members also building an AI, and although we've been talking about AI for the last year a lot, we wanted one central group to not just be sharing our AI drop zones, which are like packages. It's like, hey, just follow this step by step and you can build out this agent or this researcher or this analyst. We're also building a big book of prompts, and then we're building with community. We have a lot of really smart people in the community. I feel like just the AI lab, give it a few more weeks, but just the AI lab itself will be well worth what the UIG offers because you can build an entire team. Anywho, so again, comment AI for DeFi and I'll make sure I send you this page. These prompts alone are going to change your life. I see a lot of people throwing some prompts that I don't think really help them, into Claude or ChatGPT or Perplexity. This is what a prompt really should look like. And by the way, I'm taking for granted that you built out what we call the master doc or the brain. This is the context. You're uploading your portfolio, your risk tolerance, what kind of investor you are, where you're starting from, where you're trying to get to, your time horizon, your strengths, your weaknesses, etc., etc. Once you have that fed into the brain, then you're giving, for example, Claude a lot more context when you ask these prompts. So something really simple would be like a full project due diligence. Research the team, research the tokenomics, research the product, the competition, give me any red flags, give me the bull case in one sentence, bear case in one sentence. Now again, we're starting with single prompts, but as you can see, you can add this into your workflow. So once you become an expert in, giving really high quality prompts, you can start automating a lot of this, creating workflows, and then arming your agents for them to ask the right questions and do a lot of I'd say the grunt work and some of the thinking for you. Again, I won't go through all of these. You can just request AI for DeFi. We'll send it your way. But hey, challenge me. I have this thesis. What's a potential bear case? What do I not see? Where are potential red flags in, this project or even in my portfolio overall? Can you compare these two protocols, these two projects? Can you stress test my portfolio? So I have an analyst I built, and this is actually the prompt. So every time my portfolio updates, it analyzes my portfolio and stress tests it. Maybe you're looking for investment opportunities, you're looking for new narratives, or you're trying to put a finger on the sentiment and what's going on in the markets overall. Eventually, when you start building a personal assistant, you're going to start feeding these kind of details. Again, just grab this page and copy this stuff. It's going to be a lot easier. Dive deeper into certain protocols. Help me build an investment thesis. Help me watch for whale activity. Or again, just grab this. This is a bit of a template. You would want to change it because there's core beliefs and how I operate, and this is a lot built around the UIG and my principles, but you can change these. So let's just take a beat because I do want to get into this workflow. Again, I'm trying to get through a lot in a fairly short period of time. These would be tools you can grab. So these are examples of tools. Of course, Claude, Perplexity, ChatGPT would be the main ones we use. I do use Gemini for certain types of research. You can grab on-chain data. Most of this, actually, all of this up here is free. DeFi Llama, Dune Analytics does have a free tier. So your agent can stay informed. It can, every time it's doing some thinking or it's doing some work or it's going to send you a report, you can pull from DeFi Llama, Dune Analytics. All of those are free. I pull from CryptoPanic for news. I also use Gemini to actually look at Google News, but that's a topic for a different discussion. Whale Alert, if you're tracking some whale wallets. CoinGecko isn't in here. CoinGecko is free. So as you can see for this example, I am pulling from CoinGecko, etc., etc. So here's an example of a daily AI report. Now you may want to use Claude to help you build this because you will probably run into some nuances, but you can literally work with Claude as you build this, saying, hey, it's giving me this feedback. Hey, it's giving me this error. Can you let me know what to do? So for this example, we're going to use N8N. I know it's a bit of a tongue twister, but N8N.io. You can create a free account. It's a great place to start. It makes this very easy. You're going to schedule a trigger. Mine is set for 7 a.m. It runs this workflow. Like watch, I can go execute workflow. Bam, bam, fetching news, yields, sent to Claude, format email. It's right now working with Claude. It's going to format the email in a second, and then Gmail is going to send it to my inbox. There we go. Wham, bam, done. Workflow executed successfully. Even if you were well informed and wanted to do everything I just did manually, that would take you, you let me know how long that's going to take. It took 30 seconds here. So we're going to schedule a trigger. Then we're going to fetch the crypto news from CryptoPanic. Again, use this as a template. You can always modify this and start pulling from different sources. We're going to fetch DeFi yields. And in this example, you could fetch whale activity. Again, this might take you a few hours to set up, but if you can wrestle through this, you will be in the top 2% of people using AI. Then we want to merge all that data, so bring it all into one place. We want to send it to Claude. We'll just call that the brain. We want to send it to your Claude. We can give Claude specific commands, specific context, so we can formulate a report. And then we want to send that report to email. Now you'll notice I wanted my email formatted in a very specific way. I want it to read really well. So I do have a few extra things in here. I also want to kind of have a look at the market. So instead of me going on CoinMarketCap or whatnot, I could just pull my favorite assets all in one place and say, hey, just in my report, let me know the current price of Bitcoin and ETH and whatever other assets I want. And then once you have a simple workflow created, you can start playing with this. You can say, hey, I want to add this or I want to add that. What used to just be a dream 2 years ago is now like literally no excuse for anyone to not have this built out. You could spend a weekend and really get ahead. Again, just comment AI for DeFi. I'll send you all this. There's also some, like, you're going to fall into some common roadblocks. At first, it might seem overwhelming. I promise you it gets easier. And your daily crypto brief could look something like this. And again, you can set it up any which way you want. Here's the top narratives. Here's the top news. Here's the top yield opportunities. Here's some whale wallet activity. Here's the main insight. Here's how this fits into my, whatever you want to do. So again, before we get overwhelmed, really think of it as 3 kind of main steps. First, it's AI researcher. You have a bunch of awesome prompts that you can start using literally right now. Like, no excuse. You can start literally using right after this video. Then step 2 would be, hey, set up an AI analyst. In a couple hours, you'll have that set up, and now every single day it works for you. And 3, what we're really calling like the AR architect. So now you're literally building a team that is working for you, with you. You get the point. Again, just comment AI for DeFi. We'll send you this. You also see some stuff that you should absolutely avoid. I see people doing half of this stuff, like they're using AI, especially chat, which is a yes man, to just like confirm what they already believe instead of actually challenging you on your thesis. And that's that. By the way, if you do want to join that, there are a bunch of AI groups out there, but I think it's all very generic. If you want to join a conversation that's being had every single day now inside the UIG, in the subgroup, the AI Investor Lab, anything you want to build, anything you can dream up right now is absolutely possible. And the AI lab that we're building in the UIG, we will be building on top of it for the next 3 months or so, but the conversations that you can already have, and we're in there to support, I think are well worth the investment into the UIG, but I guess you can be the judge of that. And with that said, this video is getting a little long, so I'm going to wrap it up there. If you do want to see a series, or if you want me to, I'm happy to create like a series of free trainings. We could start simple and just create a first agent. But if you'd like to see more of this on our YouTube channel, I'm obsessed with this stuff, so I'd be happy to share it. Just let me know in the comments below. With that said, don't sleep on this. Build out your team. It not only will save you a ton of money, it's going to save you a ton of time, which I'd rather save time than money anyways. Oh, and by the way, if you're asking about the cost, what's $5 or $10 a month to build out an agent if it's actually working for you and saving you 10, 15, 20 hours and probably increasing your yields and ultimately helping you make more money? Like, it's very easy to justify the cost. It's $5 or $10. If you're at full scale like me, like I probably spend around $500 a month on AI tools, but we have the best of the best and it's doing work for us 24/7. Like, that would have cost me at least $250,000 a year before. There's no need for that. Oh man, I could keep going. I could talk about this stuff forever, but I'm going to wrap it up there. If you do want to see more content like this, do let me know. If you do want the AI for DeFi resource that we created for you, do let me know in the comments below. And with that said, like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And let's keep rocking. With all that said, I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing. Peace.